How to fix unable to access files, documents, music, and videos from your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra from your computer or PC on Windows 11. Now the first thing that you want to do is make sure you have a compatible cable. Make sure the cable is a proper Samsung cable. Some USB cable is only for charging, so it's not a high quality cable that allows you to transfer files. So that is the first thing that you want to check, is to make sure your cable is a data cable that allow you to not only charging but also transferring files. And after that, connect to your phone. Then make sure you unlock the phone first. If the phone is locked, then you cannot access files on the computer. So unlock it with your fingerprint or password or PIN. After that, once it is connected, you swipe down at the top to open up your notification panel. In here, select USB for charging and ensure you select transferring files or Android Auto. You can see when I first connect the cables, it's always going to set it to charging phone only. So you want to select transferring files and Auto Android. Here we need to authorize using PIN or fingerprint. And then tap on allow so that we allow this computer to access files on the phone. Okay, after that, you go back into your computer. You click on my computer or this PC. Then we go back into the device. Then we go into internal storage. Here, now you'll be able to access documents folder, download folder, DSIM, which is the folder where your camera will save and store videos and photos. Okay, now if that still does not work, then we go back into settings. So we swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Scroll all the way down and tap on developer options. If developer options is not available, you go into about phone, scroll down and tap on software information, then tap on the build number 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after tapping on 7 times, developer mode will be activated. Then we go back into settings, go all the way down and tap on developer options. Then we go down and tap on USB debugging. Make sure you turn it on and enable it. Then tap on OK. Then tap on allow. After that, you should be able to view the computer, view files on your phone from the computer. And that's it. So that is how you can fix issues with unable to access files, videos, music files, and photos on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.